How's it going, everyone? I'm Keita. Today I introduce Itoshima City. You can travel just one day by a car. There are beautiful nature and good food. After watching this, you would feel like travel too. Enjoy your journey.
First place is Waterfall in the mountain in Itoshima City. Okay, let's go.
Shiroito Waterfall is there in the map. After parking a car, walk in this beautiful path. You can enjoy traditional snacks while watching waterfall. Driving along the coast to get next place, Fuku no Sato. Here is famous for rape blossom. The best season is February and March. This building is local market. In front of the flower field, it's a list of today's fish and vegetable. Fresh veggie and fish here arrived today. Wow, many soy sauce. You can interact with local people here. Driving to next place for lunch. Oyster House Shoei. Oyster House is opened only between October to March. This $1 of oyster is just 1,000 yen. This monster scallop is only 450 yen. All food was so delicious. Next place is for dessert, salted pudding. A lot of people go there after Oyster House. Walk in this beautiful path. This is famous salted pudding. So creamy and thick taste. The secret of this handmade salt. They make it still by traditional way. Next place is London Bus Cafe. It became famous by Instagram. You can enjoy a cup of coffee with ocean view. Driving a few minutes. Next destination is Meotoiwa. It means these two rocks looks like a married couple. This location is also surf spot. Driving a few minutes again. The last place is Palm Tree Swings. This beach is entry free. Itoshima is beautiful and peaceful place.
How is Itoshima? Did you like it? You can travel there just one day from Fukuoka Airport. I highly recommend it to go there. See you next in another video. Bye! Thank you for watching my video and please subscribe me. ありがとう。